Even though the water level in the Yamuna has begun to recede, Delhi's ITO and Rajghat continue to witness heavy waterlogging on Friday. At 8 am, the water level at the old railway bridge stood at 208.42 meters. The flooding in ITO and Rajghat areas led the authorities to impose curbs on movement of traffic. Commuters battled heavy traffic while navigating through waterlogged roads near ITO, which is a key stretch connecting East Delhi to Central Delhi.
जो इतना पानी आया है यमुना नदी में राइजिंग लेवल से गेट थोड़ा डैमेज हो गया है, जिसकी वजह से बह के आईटीओ के पास पानी गया है। यहाँ पे रात भर से पूरी स्पीड के साथ काम चल रहा है। आप देख सकते हैं अभी यहाँ पे सैकड़ों वर्कर्स, दिल्ली सरकार के सारे विभाग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं। अब हमें उम्मीद है कि आने वाले कुछ घंटे में ये पूरा जो गेट जो डैमेज हुआ है उस पूरे फ्लो को हम ब्लॉक कर पाएंगे और दिल्ली के अंदर जो सेंट्रल दिल्ली के अंदर पानी जा रहा है उसके फ्लो को हम तुरंत रोक पाएंगे।
A total of 16 NDRF teams have been deployed in Delhi to tackle the floods caused by the overflowing Yamuna. The Delhi Disaster Management Authority on Thursday directed all schools, colleges and government offices for non-essential services in the city be closed till July 16th as water of the raging Yamuna inundated several areas of the national capital. As the Yamuna water spilled into more areas of Delhi and rescue efforts intensified, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said private establishments across the city have been advised to allow their staffers to work from home.